How's it going, guys? It's twinkle977 here today, joined by... This is twinkle977. You might have seen her in one of my other videos. She is meant to be a member, but she's just lost her membership. That's our awesome Arctic Wolf.
I'm also known as WackyCat977.
Hi, people! One sec.
I'm so crazy, by the way, guys.
Yeah, she is like, whoa, crazy. She's just, whoa, crazy, bro. And today, we're going to be doing a video of an adventure, aren't we? No, we're going to be doing flipping lucky clovers.
Hey, let's get there.
Okay, one sec. You go first.
By the way, can you just see what my Arctic Wolf used to look like?
Oh yeah, I'll do that now. I'll show you all your animals. That was her fox. That was her dolphin. I really like her dolphin. That was her deer. That was her awesome... Oh, whoa, you like changed your Arctic Wolf.
What?
You've changed the style of your Arctic Wolf again.
Yeah, by the way, I have a twinkle977 spike collar.
But, she isn't...
I tried trading it with Molly. Molly, do not press accept.
I won't, don't worry. And call me Frazzles, not my real name.
Okay. Okay, come on. Right, please don't press accept.
I won't, I swear I won't. Wait, I haven't even got anything on trade. Oh yeah, that is her spike collar. Decline.
Right.
If I did press accept, I would give it back to you, don't worry.
I've got it now anyway, it doesn't matter. I have 3 rares as well, guys, but don't worry about it.
God, I suck on rares. I've got like 1. I'm rubbish.
I'll go to Lucky Code if you come to me.
Yeah.
Bye.
She just disappears. Oh, please be on the same server. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you're gonna see Twinkle in a lot of my videos because she is awesome. Oh, I see you. I see you. I see you. Hello. I'm so crazy today. Okay, yeah. Infinity Super Ivy. Right, I know what to do, trust me. Oh, by the way, yeah, you know that big chest? Yeah, people say it contains spike collars. Yeah, this girl I was with got a rare spike collar from it.
Oh, lovely.
Have you got a key? No, you don't. Right, come down here, come down here. Look, there's one here. We'll collect the keys together. Look, over here. And then... Yeah? You got it? Yep, okay. Now let's go find a chest together. Look. Oh, I know what one is. Up here. Look. No, over the bridge over here.
Oh. I found one. Oh, no, that's just one for gems. I just got 50 gems. Oh.
I got 50 gems. This way, over the bridge.
Oh, I got rid of my key. There's another key down here, by the way.
Yeah, each key is each chest. Yeah? You get what I mean? You have to open flipping 50 chests. That's just not right. Oh, there's one. I got 25 gems on that one. Try over here. Oh, I got a jamagram. I don't know. I'm so scared. Oh my god, your wacky hat might have been hacked because you're my buddy now. Wait. I'm gonna do Super Ivy, yeah. No, sorry, I'm just being like extra precautious today. Because at school we had this chat about internet safety. Oh, found one. Did you get that key? Right, there's a chest right here.
Come down here, Molly.
Okay, call me Frazzles.
Oh,
Oh, it doesn't matter.
this one, 100 gems.
Yeah, I got 100 gems. Oh yeah, you know that cap I'm wearing now?
Yeah, if you find me annoying, by the way, guys, just say, because I am very annoying.
That's not sort of, but yeah, that's true, sorry.
Right, everybody, we have to dance to these 4 flavors. Molly, come back.
I will! Yeah, just ignore her saying my real name. Oh, just screw it, it doesn't matter. Oh, did I tell you I have free chat now? Because Twinkle doesn't really go on that often. Do you?
I'm going to get membership again soon.
Yeah. Stop going. Okay?
I did it 5 times.
It's annoying!
Who is on this, by the way?
OMG. Oh wait, that's IMG. OMG. People help us, please. Lol. Lol. Just like, oh my god, you're joking. Actually, no, don't do this. Don't do this. Don't.
Why?
Because when we have because you know there's 3 dancing bits?
Yeah.
At the end, when we have 3 keys left, we can just go do the dancing bits straight away to make sure we do get the keys. Oh my god.
Jen's upstairs. Oh, that's the Jen!
How did you get on there?
I don't know, I think it glitched.
Oh my god, that is so... Holy moly, that's like... Try again. Oh, I'm on.
You're not.
My front paw's on. Oh, come on, let's go exploring.
No.
Oh, put the map up. It helps. Actually, it does help a lot. Oh, there's a key here. We're just like, oh, come on, let's get the key that we both found at the same time, but we think it's a different one. And then get the chest that's over here. I got 75 gems.
Yeah, same. I'm sick of this.
Why did I just do that? Oh my god.
I'm in the water, people. Another key!
Oh, good one. Yeah, if we like do all of them together, we'll be able to work together on the last one. So, oh, there's another one right there, but you can't pick up 2 at a time. There's a chest here.
There's one here.
Oh, but we just opened different chests.
There's one for members as well, Molly. There's one for you. You get a lucky chair. Over here, Molly.
What the heck? Go. Nice. I got a lucky scone and a lucky chair. Now you get that other key and open the one that was down here. Look. To make sure we like both opened. Yeah, because we need to make sure that. Oh. Oh, by the way, guys that are watching this, I'm gonna be doing a Minecraft series, and I have requested from school a load of shout-outs.
Oh, can I have some shout-outs? Can I get some shout-outs?
You're already in my video. Oh my god. Have you got a different key?
No.
Yeah, you do, don't you? You just opened the chest. I can hear it.
Yeah.
You think you're so sassy?
Yeah.
Whatever. Oh, I got 250 gems.
I need a key.
OMG. Oh, there was one like...
There's like 2 that I haven't opened.
Oh, awesome. How many chests have you got left? Actually, should we just do this randomly, by the way?
Yeah. Oh, here's a key.
How many chests have you got left? 43. Oh, yeah, I got another lucky chest. Oh, a lucky table and a lucky lamp. This is like the only way that I can get all my lucky stuff, my lucky den though. My lucky den is now full. Oh my god, that gives me an idea for my weekly giveaway.
Oh, I'm doing a weekly giveaway too.
You don't have a YouTube channel yet.
No, but people can come to mine as well.
Yeah, whatever. I'll like show yours or something. I'll do a lucky giveaway since it's like nearly... Wait.
Where are all these keys though?
I've like found like 6 over here. Oh yeah, I found another lucky chest. Oh wait, except the fireplaces. I keep the fireplace. Another key. Yo, Twinkle, have you actually ever done this before?
No.
Oh.
I've been on for ages.
Oh yeah. Lol. And that. Whatever. I don't know. Oh my god.
Saying whatever.
Whatever. Wait, what? Okay, okay guys, I'm gonna do this lucky series in 10-minute parts, and it's almost been 10 minutes, so, thanks for watching and tuning in, and see you in the next episode. Bye!